Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be something quick. As you can see, I'm just going to show you how I applied the new L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara. I saw it all over Instagram and TikTok, and you can see right here the huge difference. So I'm just going to really quick just give you some tips and tricks and show you how I apply it to make my eyelashes look like this. First and most important thing is to curl your lashes. I always use this one from Trim. I'm going to leave all the products in the little button you see on the screen that says view products. That way it makes it easier for you to, if you want to buy any product I use in the video or just know more information about the product. But yes, first curl your lashes. I always curl them a little bit more by lifting up the eyelash and still like curl the lashes at the same time. I do this for like 10 seconds. That way it gives it that really nice lift and curl. No other eyelash curler leaves my eyelashes like this, which is why I love this one. It's only $2. And you can obviously see that before I curl my eyelashes, my eyelashes are barely noticeable, but when I curl them you can see how long they are. And so I got the mascara waterproof, and as soon as I took it out of the tube, I loved that it didn't get a lot of product on the brush. And I'm gonna be honest, normally I don't really go for mascaras with this kind of brush with the bristles like this, because most of them don't really apply the mascara how I want, or they just don't separate the eyelashes nice. It's just not my top favorite mascara wand, but I wanted to give this one a try. So I'm gonna start like I always do from the roots of the eyelashes all the way to the tip. I kind of twist the brush and I close my eye as I'm brushing my eyelashes up. That way I push the eyelashes to the brush. That way all of the eyelashes have the product, and it can separate my eyelashes a lot better. But as you saw earlier, that the mascara wand on one side it's flat. I honestly don't know why it's like that, but I don't use that side. I just use the side with the bristles. If you feel like you're going to apply mascara to the eyelid and you already have eyeshadow, you can just put like a card or a napkin or something small like that behind the eyelashes while you're applying the mascara. That way you don't smudge the product on the eyelid. And normally when I don't apply fake eyelashes and it's just the mascara, I apply 2 layers, but I'm just gonna leave it with this 1 layer so you guys can see how beautiful the mascara applies to the eyelashes and how it separates my lashes. And no, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to show you guys how I apply this mascara, and it really makes my lashes look so pretty. And you can just see the big difference. And I also wanted to apply it on the lower lashes because I feel that makes a huge difference too, just having a little mascara down there, and it just makes your eyes stand out and makes them look bigger and just so much better. I do always add a little bit more of mascara to the tip of the eyelashes, just a little bit. This is gonna help make your eyelashes appear longer, but it is very important to apply just a little bit on the very tip of the lashes. And something I always have to say is that not all mascaras make my lashes look like this. I know my eyelashes are already a bit long, but there are some products that always weigh my lashes down, or they're just very clumpy. The brush doesn't really separate my lashes nice, and it's not all mascaras make my lashes look nice. So I know my lashes are already a bit long and pretty when I apply mascara, like the good mascara. But yeah, I feel like that's something I always have to say. But yeah, I definitely give this one a 10 out of 10. It's now one of my top favorite mascaras, drugstore mascaras, very affordable. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I'm going to leave it in the button that you see on the screen that says view products, just to make it easier for you guys if you want to buy it. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you watched this whole video, please leave me purple hearts in the comments below and share this video with your friends and your family. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!